In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll a Windows device in JumpCloud. To get started, open your browser and sign in to the JumpCloud admin portal. Make sure you're using an account with the appropriate permissions because you'll need access to device management settings in order to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the admin area and not a user-facing dashboard, since all of the enrollment options we need are located in the administrative console. From the main navigation, go to Device Management and then select Devices. This is the section where you can view existing devices, manage their status, and add new ones to your organization. If this is your first time working in this area, don't worry. The layout is usually straightforward, and the Add Device workflow is designed to guide you through the setup. Next, click the plus icon or the Add Device button. This opens the enrollment options for bringing a new device under JumpCloud management. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose the device type. Select Windows since we're enrolling a Windows machine in this walkthrough. Choosing the correct platform is important because JumpCloud generates installation instructions specific to that operating system. After selecting Windows, choose the option to install via PowerShell. This method provides you with an install command that can be run directly on the Windows device you want to enroll. PowerShell is commonly used for this because it allows the JumpCloud agent installation to be initiated quickly and consistently, especially in administrative or remote deployment scenarios. Once you select Install via PowerShell, JumpCloud will generate the install command for you. This is the command you'll use on the Windows device to begin enrollment. Be careful when handling this command and avoid sharing it publicly or including it in documentation that others can access, since installation commands may contain organization-specific details. At this point, your next step is simply to copy the install command so it's ready to use on the target Windows device. Before you run it, make sure the device has an internet connection and that PowerShell can be launched with administrative privileges, since those are common requirements for successful enrollment. And that's it. You've now reached the point where the Windows device install command has been generated through the JumpCloud admin portal. From here, you're ready to use that command on the device you want to enroll.